Hello guys. Today we're going to make a simple movement project in Scratch 3.0. It's simple and easy to make, so let's get right into it. First, drag out a when green flag click block. Then drag out a forever block. Then drag out if then block. Then go to sensing and then drag out a key, space, press block. Then change the space to up arrow. Then go to motion and drag out change Y by 10. Then duplicate the whole thing by right-clicking on the first block. Then change up arrow to down arrow and change 10 to -10. Then duplicate the whole thing again. Then change down arrow to right arrow. Then change the Y block to move 10 steps block. Then duplicate the whole thing again and change the right arrow to left arrow. Then change move 10 steps to move -10 steps. Then here you go. It's completed. You can use it to make more than simple games.